Hello Flavors fam. Chocolate lollipops from Parle-G. Sounds exciting, right? The best part, these can be made literally in a few minutes and needs no baking. Grind Parle-G Biscuits. Add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons milk. Whisk consistently for a few minutes. Add chocolate glaze into powdered Parle-G in small quantities. Mix them well. Repeat until dough is formed. Make small balls from the dough. Insert lollipop sticks in the balls. Add 1 tablespoon oil and ½ cup chocolate chips. Microwave till it melts fully. Dip Parle-G lollipops in melted chocolate and place it on a parchment paper. Optional, decorate with different sprinkles. Refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Parle-G chocolate pops are ready.